I don't like bananas that much. I don't really like bananas that much. They're pretty gross. Whoever invented them. No. Alright, hold on. I don't like my no banana that much. Whoa. They're all pretty gross if you take a minute to look at what you ate. Why are they that shape? And why do they hang the way they do? Shit is gay. Sorry. Hey, don't taste very good neither, but wait. I'm just gonna eat it so I didn't waste my money. Hey, 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 banana, go away, please don't stay. I don't like most fruit or vegetables. The shit is all kinda tasteless. Why do we have to pretend like we don't want to talk about it and face it? Why didn't we make them vegetables and fruits taste better, and we're always eating some cheeseburgers and other gross things and such because it tastes better somehow. Oh, way clever somehow. Oh, wait, it's not. Oh, wait, I'm just talking about what's hot and what's cold. Days and such, I'm old, I'm young, I'm growing up and I'm growing dumb. And then I'm showing some, I don't show enough somehow, both at the same time. Ah, bananas gross as fuck in my sane mind. Oh. Oh, maybe we got our man about to come up on the song, but he can't sing as good as me.